Welcome to the Weatherstaff PlantingPlanner home version, a unique application which is suitable for all levels of gardening experience. Beginner gardeners, save money by buying only the plants which thrive in your garden. It is very easy to buy plants at the garden centre that fail because they just aren't suitable. If you need a helping hand, the Weatherstaff is full of practical advice and will guide you through building your first garden. Experienced gardeners, you will find inspiration for developing new borders or revamping old ones. Experiment with new garden styles, colours and planting ideas. The Weatherstaff PlantingPlanner chooses the best plants for your garden's growing conditions, placing them in a colour scheme and style that you choose. At the heart of the programme is the Intelligent Plan Generator. It quickly and easily generates stunning, bespoke planting plans with all-year interest, tailor-made for your garden. You can regenerate your plans as often as you want to see new ideas. Try different styles and colours. Try excluding plants you don't want or locking in place ones you want to keep. For more control of your design, you can drop plants into the plan before you hit the Generate button. These could be plants already in your border or favourites you want to include. You can also tweak the plan after it has been generated. Here, I'm adding some of my favourite spring bulbs. Hover over the plan to see plant photos, descriptions and cultivation and maintenance advice. A key feature is the maintenance calendar linked to every plan. It organises your gardening to-do list each month. To download or find out more about the Weatherstaff Planting Planner, visit plantingplanner.com.